If you've been looking for a powerful new AI tool that can transform the way you manage travel and office operations, TripOffice AI could be exactly what you need. This software just dropped, and there are 7 critical things you need to know before diving in. Stick with me till the end, because I'll share an exclusive tip that could save you hours of manual work every week. Let's start by breaking down what TripOffice AI actually does. This software is designed to automate a lot of the routine processes that take place in office and travel management. It brings AI to the table for things like scheduling, travel planning, and task automation, giving businesses a faster, more efficient way to run things. One of the first things I noticed about TripOffice AI is how it handles task automation. Normally, businesses spend hours on simple tasks like sending reminders, scheduling meetings, or tracking employee availability. But with TripOffice AI, all of that becomes automated. You can set up recurring tasks or let the software automatically notify team members about deadlines and meetings. This doesn't just save time, it ensures that everything runs smoothly without human error. Another powerful feature is its travel management capability. This tool offers an intelligent travel assistant that understands your company's travel preferences. It can suggest the best routes, book flights, and even find the best prices, all with the help of AI. For business travelers, this is a game changer, because it doesn't just save time, it saves money too, by constantly scanning for the best deals. Now, if you've ever tried managing a team, you know how tricky it can be to coordinate everyone's schedules. TripOffice AI simplifies this by integrating with your calendar and offering smart scheduling. It can suggest the best times for meetings based on everyone's availability and even resolve conflicting schedules. This feature alone can significantly improve team productivity. And don't get me started on the report generation. Instead of spending hours compiling data into reports, TripOffice AI can generate comprehensive reports with just a few clicks. This is especially useful for managers who need to keep track of everything, from office tasks to travel expenses. TripOffice AI does all the heavy lifting, making it super easy to track metrics, expenses, and outcomes. What really impressed me about TripOffice AI, though, is how intuitive the user interface is. A lot of AI software can be overwhelming to learn, but TripOffice has kept it simple. The dashboard is clean, and everything you need is right there. Whether you're managing travel bookings or coordinating meetings, you won't waste time trying to figure out how to use the system. One feature I recommend you pay close attention to is the AI-driven insights. The software looks at your data and makes intelligent suggestions based on your usage patterns. For example, it may notice that your team books flights on certain days of the week and suggest cheaper or more efficient alternatives. This predictive aspect adds tremendous value by helping you make better decisions based on data. Lastly, there's the free trial. TripOffice AI is offering a completely free trial, which you can access through the first link in the description. This is a no-commitment way to test out the software and see if it fits your needs. If you're on the fence, I highly recommend giving it a try. You've got nothing to lose and a lot to gain. Now, if you're serious about automating office management and travel planning, I've got some recommended AI tools in the description below. After trying thousands of AI softwares myself, I've picked the best ones that could change the way you work for the better. Check them out and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the first link for your free trial of TripOffice AI.